We're doing Lido for breakfast today. You always start with your washi-washi. All right, let's check it out. Freshly made omelets for breakfast. We love it. 3 at one time, huh? Hi, cheese omelet with onion, tomato, and both cheeses. Yes.
Ham and cheese omelet. Not like tomatoes with it. Is that cheese or is that cheese? It's 2 cheeses. Cheese omelet with both cheeses, please. Yeah.
I thought I would show you the process of him making 3 omelets at one time. I just thought this was really cool. There's the flip. He has my cheese omelet with double cheese. He has the ham and cheese omelet for my mom. And then he has the, I think it's another double cheese for my sister. And flip! There you go. He just hooks them up. I thought it was really cool to sit here and, I guess I'm not sitting, we're standing, and watch him make the omelets. And I do want to tell you this was a very popular line. Every time that we came down here for breakfast, there was always a line for the freshly made omelets. And kind of like a show as well.
It's got 2 ears in there.
Both cheeses.
Just one. Yeah, that's fine.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Ooh, this is pound vanilla. I want a pound vanilla Danish. No Danish is for you?
No, thank you. I don't want any of that fruit though. Let's see what's on here. Oh yeah. Other side maybe. About the same thing. Good morning. Once he said that, I'm like, oh, there's oatmeal there too. No. Our first breakfast aboard Carnival Jubilee. We didn't realize you had to make a reservation for the restaurant, so we came up to Lido, and it's just a very tame breakfast today. Lido Market breakfast, y'all, and it's good. Here, looking at that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Here's the piano bar.
Piano bar. It does.
That's a great picture opportunity right there. Yes. Oh, clown. Oh, here's the spa.
Fitness spa salon. It's got to be. Fitness is going this way. Yeah. So where's the fee?
Okay, I done missed it, but I'm sure I'm taking a video of this.
I'm speeding it up and doing a voiceover for this part of the gym because the music was blaring in here. But I just wanted to take you through and give you a good look at all of the machines that are available and the great views from the treadmill.
Here's the Punchliner Comedy Club. And then we're back to where we started. Okay. There it is, yes. See how it looks right here?
We could watch it from up here if we wanted to. Mm-hmm. You probably have to come early. No, look, they have some seats like up
On
there.
7
Okay.
and then on 8.
But you got to get there early.
Probably.
Well, you're right about that.
But that'd be kind of
There's that Tapenaki restaurant.
Let's go,
yeah.
let's go. So we can have sushi. Bonsai sushi's probably not open. And this is the teppanyaki.
And this is one of the restaurants. Special. Oh, this is one that we can go to, right?
I don't know if we can or not. I don't know. I gotta, for sure I know Chabang. Chabang is the one I know for sure.
Chabang.
The rest, I gotta figure it out.
Okay. Chabang.
Dream Studio. This is where you go to have dreams.
That's right.
Is this it right here? Yep, this is it.
Where do you see that?
I don't, but the way these iron rail things. Oh, Chabang. I'm talking about. This is the We have now found Chabang. This one for sure we can go to.
Okay, for sure.
One time for your holy mind.
Of Chinese and Mexican cuisine. Okay.
Y'all want to see what it's?
Yes, let's check it out. We're gonna take advantage of that. Lunch, dinner, lunch. Let's see.
Oh, it's Chinese and Mexican food.
Yeah, Chinese and Mexican. So you can get
it
your.
was Chinese food.
Let's just look. See, that's how. See, you just gotta figure it out. So to go into, these are the Havana suites, and you have to be in one of these areas to be. Let me just open it up a little bit because I'm not going to go. This is the Havana suite area on floor number 8, and you have to have the wristband in order to go outside where all the Havana cabins are. But this is the Havana bar.
500? Yeah. I mean, we're after.
And here we are on Lido. Now, I definitely had to do a voiceover for this part because, as you know, the Lido is where the party is. So the music is pumping. We got those Caribbean tunes and that steel drum music playing in the background. So we're just taking a trip out on the Lido, and this is where the fun is. My sister asked me, aren't there lifeguards on duty? Because as we're standing, we're looking at this gentleman, and there's a big sign that says there are no lifeguards on duty. So he's not necessarily a lifeguard. He's just there to kind of keep the peace, make sure nobody's like diving into the pool. But there is no lifeguard on duty. Here is that Red Frog bar, and it's 2-story here on the Carnival Jubilee. A lot of fun. People were having a really good time in this location, and we decided to just hang out on Lido for a little bit. Tonight is elegant night, but we wanted to hang out on Lido, and so we found some good seats.
It's calling us 3 seats. Now this is the view that I'm talking about. I could sit here and watch this all day.
So for certain you didn't want to try something else?
Wonderful.
You mean like food-wise? No.
This is the spicy chipotle pineapple martini. I think I've had this before and it was good, and it is spicy. That's delicious.
Oh, you don't want the
So for the beginning of our first elegant night dinner, we have iceberg lettuce salad, and this has blue cheese dressing. Over here we have New England clam chowder. And over here we have what kind of
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad. All right, so for our first formal night, we got, what is this? Filet mignon and braised short ribs with some green beans and mashed potatoes. Just got the same thing. And Mom got, what is this, Mom?
Chicken linguine. Linguine chicken.
Chicken, that's a chicken linguine. Looks good, guys. Thank you. Our Grand Marnier souffle.
Now it is time for the entertainment for the evening, and this was a fantastic show. And keep watching because you will see these women fly through the air right before your eyes. I am going to leave you with this. Thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, become part of the family, and please do watch this entire Carnival Jubilee series. We had a ball. Thanks so much for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.